Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to password protect Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify store, and to put a password for protection on our store, you need to click on the online store right here on the left side of your screen. And then from here, you want to go into preferences. And then once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down. And then from here, you can see the password protection. So you can click on this one right here. Make sure that you restrict access to visitors with a password. So you can set your password right here. So maybe you can go for code 123. Maybe something like that. Then you can also add a message to your visitors so that when they visit your site, they would be able to see this message. So maybe you want to go for the password is the secret code so that they would have a clue on what the password is depending on what you tell them beforehand. So yeah, this is basically how you do it. And all that's left basically is click on save. And just like that, when they visit your site, they should be prompted with a password before they can log in or access your website right here, and they would get this message right here. So that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.